Meet the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, Horacio Pagani's dream brought to life. A radical design with no roof, pure sculpture in motion. Inside, every detail is tailor-made, art meeting engineering. Under the hood, a mighty 7.3-liter V12 unleashes 789 horsepower. 0 to 100 in just 3.4 seconds, topping out at 221 miles per hour. Only 3 exist, making it one of the rarest cars in the world. Priced around $17 million, a timeless masterpiece. My Dream, My Zonda, a tribute to passion, innovation, and the genius of Horacio Pagani.